Welcome! In this lesson, we're going to master one of the most important jobs at the front desk, giving guests clear, simple directions to their room. So this is designed especially for you. We'll be focusing on the formal and professional USTED form because, that excellent guest service is what it's all about. Okay, let's get into it.
Here's what we've got planned. We'll look at our learning goals, learn the essential phrases, see them in a real dialogue, fix up our pronunciation, and then it's your turn to practice before we wrap up with a quick quiz.
So what's the big goal for today? By the end of this, you're going to feel so much more confident handling this whole interaction from start to finish.
The idea is pretty simple. You'll be able to guide a guest all the way from your desk, right to their room door, step by step, completely in Spanish.
All right, let's get to the good stuff. These are the 8 phrases you absolutely need to know. I'm going to say each one twice. First, at a normal, slow speed, and then again, a little more broken down. Make sure you repeat it out loud in the pause. Ready?
Okay, first up, the key handover. Repeat after me. Aquí tiene su tarjeta. Aquí tiene su tarjeta. Next, you got to tell them the floor number. Let's use the 3rd floor as an example. Your turn. Su habitación está en la planta 3. Su habitación está en la planta 3.
All right, now where's the elevator? Let's say it's on the right. Give it a try.
El ascensor está a la derecha. El ascensor está a la derecha.
This one is super simple, but so useful. You're going to use it all the time. Siga recto. Siga recto. Okay, how about telling them to turn? Let's practice with left. Gire a la izquierda. Gire a la izquierda. Here's another key phrase for giving them a landmark. Your turn. Al final del pasillo. Al final del pasillo. And this is how you get really specific to help them find the exact door. Let's say it together. Es la segunda puerta a la derecha. Es la segunda puerta a la derecha.
And finally, a really important one for modern key cards. Here we go. Inserte la tarjeta en el lector. Inserte la tarjeta en el lector.
Okay, great job. So we have our building blocks. Now let's see how they all snap together in a real-world scenario. We're going to listen to a short, natural dialogue between a receptionist and a guest. So you see how it kicks off? It's perfect. The receptionist hands over the card, clearly states the room and the floor number. That's step 1, nailed. Then they give the next set of instructions for after the elevator. And I love this part. The receptionist anticipates the guest might be worried about the distance and gives that perfect, reassuring answer. No está cerca. No, it's close. And this is how you stick the landing. A quick tip on using the key card, a friendly offer for more help, and that lovely, professional closing. That is the whole package.
Now let's talk pronunciation for just a second. We're going to fine-tune just a few sounds, but trust me, getting these right will make you sound so much clearer and more natural.
Okay, 3 words to focus on. First, izquierda. You want to really hit that middle part, izquierda. Next up, ascensor. All the energy goes on the very last syllable, ascensor. And finally, inserte. That R sound is just a really soft, quick tap of the tongue, inserte. Nailing these little details, well, it makes a huge difference.
All right, you're up. It is your turn to be the receptionist. I'm going to play the guest. I'll give you a scenario, and then I'll just be quiet for about 10 seconds to give you a chance to respond out loud. Ready? Let's do this.
Okay, nice job. A perfect answer would be something like, Aquí tiene su tarjeta. Su habitación está en la planta 4. How'd you do with that one? A really great response is, El ascensor está a la izquierda. Cuando salga, gire a la derecha. See how you're combining the phrases? It's great.
All right, last one. Very good. You could say something like, No se preocupe. El ascensor está a la derecha. Su habitación está en la planta 5. Adding that no se preocupe, that don't worry, is just a really nice touch.
Okay, let's wrap this up with a quick quiz, just to help lock everything in. I've got 5 questions for you. Feel free to pause and think if you need a little extra time.
Okay, number 1. How do you say, the elevator is on the left? Number 2. How do you say, go straight? 3. Complete this sentence. Su habitación está en la 3. 4. Translate this into Spanish. Where is the elevator? And number 5. How would you say, do you have any questions? Got your answers? Let's see how you did.
And here are the answers. How'd it go? Hey, even if you just got a few right, that's a fantastic start. The big takeaway today is that you don't need a massive vocabulary. With just a handful of these core phrases, you can guide any guest with confidence. So keep practicing and start thinking, what other situations would you like to master? Thanks for joining me.